So we have three different type of jujubes here. You can see on the left is the largest, shanxi. We got the Lee, you often see in the market, and we have something like honey jar. You can see the quarter is used for reference, so we can see how it can taste. Does the size make a difference in taste or not? So we shall start with the largest one. Very sweet, surprisingly. The skin is very edible. It's not tough or dry. And then we have the Lee. Interesting. You'll be surprised that this one, much bigger, is much sweeter than the Lee. Oddly, that comes as a surprise. We got a honey jar right here. Usually, the honey jar is much sweeter than the Lee. And this one I wasn't sure because I haven't had them at the same time to compare. But today I would say the shanxi is a real winner. It's huge and it's a nice texture and it's the sweetest out of the three. Very surprising.